What's up, guys? It's an exciting video. I haven't had a new watch in a while. This is Series 7. This is a Series 8. It's the 41 mil, small size, so I'm upgrading from the 7 to the 8. So nothing crazy. I'm not spending the money on a new one, you know. But realistically, this should go into my Apple One Care plan thing that I got when I got my new phone and MacBook. So the 7 was ineligible. This is not over so many years old. 4, I think, is the limit or something like that. This is just a tad over, so it was not eligible. Anyways, that's not the reason, but previously I had a stainless steel one of these, 7. Then I went to the black titanium. I wanted the silver titanium 7, not the whatever they call it, slate black or whatever. I forgot what it's called. It might just be black steel titanium. I don't really know. Anyways, I wanted the regular one, the silver, but they sent me the wrong one, so it's gonna get sent back. Unfortunately, even though I really wanted the silver. I would have kept the silver titanium 7 and not gone with an 8 but it's hard to find. It's a very hard model to find. I think it looks really good with certain bands. It's really classy looking in my opinion when it's the silver. This looks very much like the space black or slate black aluminum model, which I'm not the biggest fan. But the silver I always liked, even though aluminum silver I've always liked. But whatever. Anyways, let's look at this one. Open real quick. It's not too bad. Open. I haven't opened one of these in a while. Last time I opened one with the box and stuff was my 4. Let's see, anything in here? Ah, watch band. Okay, so I got the white watch band. Cool. Now what we really care about. If I can do it one-handed, usually works. Oh. No. Oh, I see what happened. Okay. There we go. Upside down. Oh well. Okay. As you can tell, this is not brand new, but here it is. Wow, it looked good. Wow, it's hard to tell. Sorry, I was not focusing. I'll have to clean it up real quick with like a cloth, but like, there's no scratches. Like my previous one that I also bought used had like scratches galore. Not scratches galore, but it was rough. It wasn't rough, but it's stainless steel buffs out really easily. This shouldn't need any buffing. This should just need a wipe real quick. And it'll be fine. But exciting. I'm gonna put this on the charger. I won't film anything more outside of this, but I did want to show off the new watch. So yeah, 41 mil stainless steel, Series 8. It's exciting. From the Series 7 to the 8. And here's Series 7, 41 mil titanium. That's stainless, so they look identical. No surprise. Until the 10, they all look the same, and I don't know. I'm not upgrading to a 10 or 11. It's just too much, especially because I like stainless. So if anyone wants opinion, I think a used watch is a better deal. You could find aluminum cheap all day if that's what you want. I like the screen. What do they call it? Like the sapphire crystal or something like that on these. Sapphire crystal, yeah. Just was my work. Just if I get smashed, it's not gonna scratch as easily as, say, the other watches, like my 4, which definitely has some scratches on it. That's just an aluminum space gray. But yeah. Anyways, that is all. Just want to kind of show off the new 8, and I kind of want to show off the 7 before I send it back. So yeah, wish it was silver, unfortunately. Whatever. All right. Thanks for watching.